What's up guys? So the last video I spoke about how dal is not a source of protein. So what if I told you now that dal can be a source of protein but under certain conditions? In the last video I spoke about how dal is an incomplete source of protein since it lacks two essential amino acids. That's methionine and cysteine. Now what happens when you add rice to your dal is that the rice compensates for the amino acids missing in dal, thereby making it a complete protein source. Now in this form, the body can use the protein present in both the dal and the rice. This is where the concept of protein combining comes into place. Now the reason why we mix a certain legume and a cereal grain is because both these food sources together make up a complete source of protein. As separate sources, however, they may not be as effective. Another very important thing to keep in mind is that dal and rice are dominantly carb sources. So eating dal and rice, if you are actually trying to build muscle tissue, is probably not the best way of going about it. You will have to still incorporate more complete sources of protein. I hope this helps.